kiddos, I'm Sheila D., and I tend to see life through a different lens. I often get asked what makes me take a specific shot, or how did I even know it was there? I think it really boils down to 3 characteristics that rule my life: adventure, creativity, and fun. I travel quite a bit, and this allows me to take some interesting photos. Recently, I took a 17-day trip to the Dominican Republic. I walked all over the city, took in public transportation, visited with the locals, and generally took in the sights, sounds, and smells of the area. I'm not afraid of much, and therefore will try just about anything, at least once. The Lego photographer came about after I did a photo shoot for a local business. Knowing one of the owners for a long time, I pulled one of their favorite characters from Star Wars and included the action figure in several shots. This brought in a personal element to what could have been some very drab shots. I started thinking about how I could use this idea in my own photography and came up with the Lego photographer. She now goes with me everywhere. This is a project that I'm getting a lot of comments on and a lot of looks when I take her out to shoot. Additionally, I tend to see things others don't. For instance, this is a water fountain drain up close and personal. It can also double as an RSS feed symbol. I'm constantly looking for fun ways to display my work. Most of my work I have on canvas, but in the last couple of years I've begun to experiment with iPhone cases, stone, puzzles, metal, and just recently thinking about glass. Working with a local improv group who does flash mobs and various pranks has been a lot of fun as well. Sometimes I even sit in on their planning meetings to help with ideas and logistics. I love taking photo walks, so the next time I head out, maybe you should join me to see life through my lens.